Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to deposit money to your Fidelity Brokerage account. Open the website, then log in with your username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Transfer. Now, select the From account or the bank from which you'll be pulling out the money. After that, select the To account, specifically your Fidelity account. Then enter further transfer details. On the first field, select the frequency. So in this video, we're going to transfer just for once. On the second field, you could change the transfer date. Then on the third field, enter the amount you wish to deposit. After entering, click on Continue. Lastly, review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Submit. That's how you deposit money to your Fidelity Brokerage account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.